Woman dies and daughter injured in St. Anne crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman died as a result of injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle crash on the Manig Main Road in St. Anne on Tuesday night. Her daughter is also nursing serious injuries as a result of the crash. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Daniela Parker of Swamp Lane in Bagwalk, St. Catherine. Reports from the Manig police are that at around 11 p.m., Parker and her child were traveling in a motor car when the tire blew out and the driver subsequently lost control of the vehicle. Both females were reportedly thrown from the vehicle and sustained multiple injuries. They were transported to hospital where Parker succumbed to her injuries and her daughter admitted for treatment. Since Friday, December 22nd, 5 people including a policeman have succumbed to injuries sustained in motor vehicle crashes in St. Anne. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast.